I have a secret weapon, super simple, that I use to keep myself more organized and productive as I work towards my goals, and today I'm going to share it with you. Hi there, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate, and today I'm going to share with you my secret to productivity. Now, I have 6 children, I read about 52 books a year, I work out every morning, I get up at 5:30, so I do a lot. I am really productive, and this is one of my secret weapons, so I'm going to let you in on that right now. So it's a word that I made up, but it really works, and the word is cross-offable. Now, you might think that's really strange, and it really is, but it really works. So what cross-offable means is that when you put it on your planner, at the end of the day, you can cross it off. So it's a task that is doable in one sitting. If you have a big goal, you're not going to write that goal on your to-do list every day. Let's say your goal is to lose 5 pounds. Now, you're not going to write lose 5 pounds every day on your to-do list. You're going to write, go to the gym, buy healthy groceries, throw out all the chocolate. The things that you can do that when you're done, you know you're done and you can cross it off, hence the word cross-offable. Another example, let's say you're planning a party. Don't put party plans on your to-do list. Instead, write out invitation list, order invitations, blow up balloons, just things that are doable in a little chunk in one sitting that you can cross off when you're done. Now, what does a sitting mean? It can vary depending on the task. Maybe a sitting, if you're blowing up balloons, for example, is going to take you 15 minutes. But what if you're writing a book and you want to do a certain number of words? That could be a couple of hours. But by the end of the day, you're still going to be able to cross that off because it's a cross-offable task. So basically what I want you to do is when you have a big goal or a big project that you're working on, take each of the tasks that you need to do for that goal or project or whatever and break them down into tasks that are doable and are cross-offable, that you know that you're making progress. You can start by having your big goal and write down the first 10 or 15, maybe even just the first 5 if you don't know what the steps are of your goal or project. That way you know what the next step is. And as you go further on, you can break down more because you might not know all the steps at the beginning, but once you get going, the next step will become evident to you. If you like that video, I'm going to send you here next to this one. It's 28 habits for success, and then I'll give you lots of tips and tricks so that you can be more successful, more productive, and more organized. Also, I'd love for you to subscribe on this channel. I do lots of tutorials, plan with me's, as well as the organization, productivity, and motivational videos. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, hit that subscribe button and we'll be friends. Okay, have a fantastic day and happy planning. Use to keep myself more organized. Printer? Seriously. Okay, quiet. Okay, still going. Playing. 1 second. So if you like this video, I'm going to send you to